Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the phone off and ejecting the SIM tray. This prevents shorting and gives access to internals. Next, warm the screen seam with a heat source at about 60-70 degrees C for roughly 60-90 seconds so the adhesive softens. Once warm, place a suction cup near the edge and gently lift while sliding a 0.5 mm opening. Pick around the bezel to create a gap. Keep steady pressure and short, controlled movements so you don't crack the glass or damage mid-frame components. Once you've opened the panel like a book, prop it with a plastic spacer to prevent stress on cables. Do not tug the screen off yet. Use a precision driver to remove visible screws and metal shields covering connector flex cables. Label screws by size and position. Then disconnect the battery first to cut power. After that, carefully unplug the display and digitizer flex connectors using a plastic spudger. Doing connectors in that order reduces risk of shorting and preserves the logic board integrity as you lift the assembly. Now lift the screen assembly fully away from the frame, keeping an eye for any adhesive or hidden cables. Remove old residue with isopropyl and a plastic scraper so new tape bonds well. Apply replacement adhesive strips precisely, align the new or original display, then reconnect the flexes and battery temporarily to power on and test display and touch before final sealing. If the screen shows no power or touch, make sure connectors are fully seated. Check for torn flexes and confirm the battery connection. Retest after each correction.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.